Hi, I'm Matt Miller. I'm the owner of Home Video Studio Longview in Longview, Washington. We are just opening for business in 2024. But currently I'm a software designer, specifically a user experience designer for Oracle. I've been doing that for about 11 years. And before that, I worked for some agencies in Seattle and at Microsoft for many years as a designer as well. I have a little bit of a background in radio and broadcasting, and proud parent, and that keeps me busy. The way I got into this business, I've had a long-standing interest in digital media in general. From my background working in the software industry, I've learned quite a bit about digital media, different formats, different tools, and I've also just had a long-running interest in helping families and preserving history. I've wanted to do it for my own family, and I'm the one in the family with all of our photos and videos that I maintain to share with everybody. So I really was just looking forward for the opportunity to have a business where I could do this for others and help them as well. The way I heard about Home Video Studio was doing some web searching for training and certifications on being a photo and video organizer and digitizing service. And I happened to find the Home Video Studio website with the offer and an opportunity to start my own studio, which is really what I wanted to do. And so I reached out and contacted Robert, and it's been all good from there. I think what interested me the most about Home Video Studio was the opportunity to have my own business. It's something I've been wanting to do for quite a while. And the satisfaction I get from helping people to preserve their memories and share them with their loved ones, that's very meaningful and important to me. I think that the opportunity to own a business and have something to go forward into retirement that I enjoy, that's secondary to enjoying helping people. I think with the initial phone call, we chatted for a bit, and then we set up a Zoom call to go over the opportunity and what it takes to be a studio owner. And then after watching several of the testimonial videos from other studio owners, it was very clear that this was the right decision for us to make. I think it was really the sincerity and the testimonials of the other studio owners. When we listened to them, we could really tell that they were happy, they were enjoying what they were doing, and they were sincere, and it was a legitimate, successful business model. So we decided pretty quickly that this was a great opportunity for us, and we jumped right in with not much hesitation. I think when we considered the financial investment into Home Video Studio, we looked at it as an investment for our retirement. It's an investment for the future. And really, with the passion I have around the business and my technical background with media and software, I knew it would be a good fit. So we didn't really have any concerns about the financial impact or risk we were taking. We felt like it's a good, positive direction. The time we found the opportunity with Home Video Studio, we were already quite busy with planning a wedding and our full-time careers. But after watching the testimonial videos and talking with Robert and others, we just knew it was the right opportunity, and we were motivated to squeeze it into our busy schedule and make it a priority. I'm very interested in doing video transfer work because I'd like to see people have their legacy, their family history brought into the present and have it preserved and shared. And so that really interests me, to see people's reactions and be able to help families with that. But I think the other thing that really interests me is preservation and restoration of images and video. So I'm really looking forward to diving into AI technologies and using tools to help restore and repair and improve old video and images as well, and see how we can improve them for families. The best thing about Home Video Studio has been the camaraderie that I feel with the rest of the studio owners, the support from Robert and the leadership of the company, and really the outlook we've gained now on the future of our own family and owning our own business. We're really excited about it and looking forward to it. Our studio will be located in Longview, Washington. We've got a nice studio location set up for people to come in. I'm really looking forward to having my own business in this community. I've lived here for quite some time. I grew up here, and I have friends and family in the area. And it's just nice to know that going forward we'll be able to give back to the community and offer something that everybody needs. It'll make people happy, and we're just looking forward to our success in the future. Hi, my name is Matt Miller. I have a home video studio in Longview, Washington. We started our studio in 2024, and we're looking forward to the future.